Alright guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use headline element. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, click on this elements option and then drag and drop this headline element on your page. And then you can see our headline element is placed on our page. So now for editing and modifying it, here on the right side, you can see the more options will appear as you already know. So here on the top you can see the content, style and advanced tabs. So in the content tab you can see the title option in which you can customize the headline title here. So now let's choose a random sentence like hello world, and you can see it's appear immediately on our page. So now here you can see a lot of options in headline text like bold, italic, underlined, color, background color, ordered list, unordered list, insert link and then clear format. You can use any option in all of them. After that, here you can see the link option in which you can insert your own link here. And also select this option, open this link in a new tab. When the customer click on the headline text, it will automatically redirect to the link you have set here. Next, you can edit the HTML tag here. So now let's move to the style tab in which you can see the four options: alignment, text color, typography and text shadow. So in the alignment you can edit the alignment left, center and right. Next you can edit the text color if you like. And then in typography you can edit the font of your text. You can also choose your own font from your computer, or either you can use Google Fonts from here. You can try each of them to see which is suitable for your page decoration. Then you can also change the text size here. Then you can edit the weight, transform, style and decoration. And then finally you can edit the line height and letter spacing here. Next you can edit the text shadow in which you can add the shadow color. Then you can add the blur in your shadow and then move the shadow horizontal and vertical if you want. So this is how you can use the headline element. So please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.